Hi, my name is Danielle Garaycoechea, and I'm going to talk to you today about the EB5 visa. Now, we're going to cover what is the EB5 visa, what are the requirements, and what is the process to file. What is the EB5 visa? It is a federal program that was created in 1990 that allows a foreign investor and his immediate family, his spouse, and any unmarried children under the age of 21 to obtain the U.S. residency or green card through an investment in a project that's going to generate minimum 10 jobs. What are the requirements? Basically, we need to be able to prove the source of funds. Unlike other types of visas that require you to have a certain type of education or special abilities or a sponsorship, the EB5 requires the proof of the source of funds and the generation of the jobs. What is the process? Whether you live in the United States or you live internationally, the process is pretty much the same, and it's going to change between steps 3 and 4, and I'll explain that. So the first thing you want to do is determine the source of funds that's going to be used for the investment with an immigration attorney. And you want that immigration attorney to be experienced in EB5. Now, the attorney is going to tell you, based on the source that you're telling them you're going to use, what documents they're going to need. If it's from a non-English speaking country, they're going to need to be translated. So that is part 1 of what goes into the petition. The other part that goes into the petition is project related. So once you choose a project, you're going to be signing the documents for that project. And when the attorney gives you the green light, you're going to transfer the funds to that project. Once the project receives those funds, they're going to issue a notice of receipt, which gets included in the petition that is sent to immigration. So once everything is ready, the attorney is going to put it together and send that petition to immigration, to USCIS, which is petition I-526. And here's where it changes on whether you live here or you live internationally. If you live here, you can file at the same time or later an adjustment of status, which lets you be here legally. You can apply for the work permit and a travel permit while your petition is being processed. If you're internationally, that process, you're going to wait in your country for your I-526 approval. Differences is, once it's approved, if you live here in the US, your green card is going to be mailed to you, most likely because they don't do consular visits here. But if you live abroad, you are going to have to go to the consulate for an interview. Now, once you have your green card, your permanent residence at the beginning is conditional based on the condition of the generation of those 10 jobs. Now, since you're investing in a project through a regional center, that's all done by the project. You don't have to worry. This is a passive investment. So right before the 2-year period of you having your green card, there's going to be another petition sent, which is I-829, demonstrating the job creation so that condition can be removed. Once you have that condition removed, you've got your green card for life. You can apply for citizenship if you desire. It is not a requirement. Differences between the two of them: if you are a citizen, you have the US passport and you have the right to vote. But everything else as a resident or a citizen are exactly the same. You have the same benefits. Well, this is it for today. I hope this was really helpful, and stay tuned for more.